Welcome to this training from the ODU Center for Learning and Teaching. We have created a template to help you to design your course in Canvas. During the next few minutes, we'll show you how you can apply the template to the organization of your course materials. First, what is the ODU default template? The Center for Learning and Teaching has created this template using Universal Design for Learning or UDL guidelines, best practices for technology-enabled teaching and learning, and web accessibility in mind, so that you can concentrate on your content. The template is customizable to suit the needs of your own course. Using the ODU default template will give you some advantages when you are creating your course in Canvas. You will save time because it already contains the basic course structure, along with placeholders and examples that you can easily customize. Plus, its navigation will be simple for your students to use, offering engagement opportunities and providing the help they might need. In addition to banners, buttons, and other design elements, the template already incorporates accessibility and usability standards. The template includes the design for a 15-week course, and it is adaptable to your specific needs. The template contains a home page with links to pages for Start Here instructions, your syllabus, the course content, and support pages. An instructor module for your reference to help you make the best use of this template. A Getting Started module to direct students to the support services and resources they might need, as well as sample module organization for your content pages, assignments, quizzes, discussion, a summary, and even a feedback survey. Before you start to use the template, we recommend that you review the template's organization and instructions. You might want to see how it will fit with your course materials so you can plan your layout ahead of time. As you work with the template, you'll notice that some notes to guide you will appear in red text, and some sample language is provided in blue text. Use these guidelines as you're creating your course, but be sure to delete any of that red or blue text when you're finished editing that section so that your students won't see it. Also, be sure to update the instructions prompt for your course and to unpublish any pages that you decide not to use. On the template's syllabus page, you'll see two options. If you choose option 1, you'll adapt the syllabus template. If you choose option 2, you'll use your own syllabus document in Word format. For option 1, you'll adapt the syllabus template using your own information. Here's how. In Canvas, select the syllabus page in the course navigation. Select the link to download the syllabus page in Word format. Update and save this document on your computer. Be sure that it includes your course information. Then open your new syllabus document. In Canvas, go to the syllabus page and select the Edit button. This opens the Rich Content Editor, or RCE. Delete the current contents of the RCE, then copy and paste the contents of your syllabus document into it. You could also edit the information that is in the template if you want to preserve the formatting as it appears in Canvas. Next, you'll upload and link your syllabus document so that students will be able to download their own copy. Still in the Rich Content Editor, place your cursor where you want the download link to appear. Select the tool to upload document. You can either drag and drop your file or browse to it on your computer. The link that is shown to the students is the name of the file. Select the Update Syllabus button to save your new syllabus page. If you choose option 2, you won't edit the template document, but you might want to download a copy just to have the instructions. For this option, you'll use your own syllabus document instead. Follow the same process as you would if you were copying from the template, but use your own syllabus instead. Don't forget to link your document. If you scroll to the bottom of the syllabus page, you'll find the course summary. Every assignment, quiz, and discussion is displayed here with any due dates. This happens automatically when you add a class activity to Canvas. For your course content, all your imported materials can be found in the Modules section. The first 3 modules in the template are the Instructor module, You'll always leave this one unpublished. The Getting Started module, and the Week 1 module. Any imported content will appear below these. Imported Blackboard or PLE content areas will now appear as modules in Canvas. Imported modules will appear as published if they were visible in the original course. If you need to edit a module, be sure to unpublish it so that it will be hidden. To rearrange any content within a module, you can use the grid of dots at the beginning of any page, assignment, quiz, or other item listed. Just click on the left-hand dots and drag the item to its new position. If you want to move something to a different module, go to the end of the row and select the 3 dots on the right. Then select the Move To option to choose another module. You can also move entire modules using either method. As you can see in the example module called Week 1, you can adjust the organization of a module by increasing or decreasing the indentation of a module item. Use the same 3 dots at the end of an item to select the option to decrease or increase the indentation. Text headers can also be added within the module. These help to organize and group your items. To the right of the module title, select the Plus option. A pop-up screen will give you a list of options to add to the module. Select the Text Header option. Enter the text and select the Add Item button. Then, drag and drop your header into place. Let's look at what's included in the Week 1 example module. Keep in mind that once you have one module set up to your liking, you can duplicate that same structure and use it as a template for subsequent modules. Please note that we refer to it as Week 1, but you can rename this to match the organization of your course, such as Unit 1 or Chapter 1. To rename or edit any heading or item, simply go to those 3 dots on the right again and select the Edit option. Do you see any unwanted items in the Week 1 module? You can remove them by clicking the 3 dots on the right of the item's name and then selecting Remove from the drop-down. Note that this will not delete the item from the course. It will only remove it from this module. You can continue to modify or edit each item in the module and add your own content. At the top of the module, you can use the plus sign to add items to your module. Once you have your module structured the way you want it to be, you can use the 3 dots at the top of the module to select the Duplicate option. This will create a copy of your module so that you can use it for the next module. Please note that if a module contains a quiz or a survey, then it cannot be duplicated, so the duplicate option will not appear. You'll have to duplicate the module without those items. Once you are ready for students to view a module, be sure to remember to publish it so that it will be visible to your students. All of the published course modules will be available to students from the module areas in the course navigation menu. If a module or other item in the course is not published, you will see a symbol like a no sign to the right of it. If the item is published, an icon will appear as a green check mark. You can also set prerequisites and requirements for your module. Use the 3 dots again and select Edit to see your options for these settings. Prerequisites are activities that students must complete before they can access the module. Requirements are mandatory activities in the module. They can also be a sequence that students must follow. Once published, all of your course's modules will appear under the Modules menu in the left-hand navigation of your course. You can also link your modules to your course's homepage. So let's have a look at that. The first page that your students will see in your course is your homepage. The Canvas template includes several options for customizing your homepage. The design that you see displayed is called the front page. You must first select your preferred front page before you customize your course's homepage. To see the front page options, select Pages from the template's left-hand navigation. You'll see the current home page design displayed. Next, select the View All Pages button at the top of the page. You'll see a list of all the pages in your course. Scroll down to the ones that have names beginning with Home Page. Notice that one of them is labeled with a Front Page badge. This is your current home page design. Click on each home page design to preview it. Once you find the one you like, go back to the list and go to the tools on the right. Be sure that the page you want to use is published and that the green checkmark is showing. Use the three dots to see the options and select Use as Front Page. The badge will change to your selection. This is now your course's home page. Select Home at the top of your course navigation. You should see your preferred page design now. Select the Edit button at the top of the page to change all of the red text to your own information. Specifically, be sure to change the course title and the welcome message for your students. Don't forget to delete any red text that you aren't using. Click the Save button when you've finished. Please note that you should not edit the 4 preset buttons on the home page. These are already linked to the Start Here module for your students, the syllabus page, the content area, and the support page. If you have chosen a front page design with module or week buttons, you can now link your modules to the home page. Let's walk through how to add a module link to the first Week 1 button on the home page. Select to edit the page, then select the Week 1 button image. Next to the Links icon in the Rich Content Editor, select the drop-down menu. Select Course Links, and a pop-up will display for your course sections. Select Modules to see your course modules. And select Week 1, for example, and the link will be added to the button. Be sure to click Save when you're finished. You are now ready to adapt the Getting Started module in the template. Review the pages provided and edit them to include the information that you'd like to share with your class. These pages will not only help them get comfortable with the course, but they will also help them to get to know you and your expectations. This template by the Center for Learning and Teaching will help you get started with setting up your own course in Canvas. As you explore these elements, you'll find even more features that you can use to enhance your course materials. You can find more information on using Canvas by going to clt.odu.edu/canvas/help. There you'll find contact information for technological and pedagogical help. You can also access links to more training and tutorials, as well as frequently asked questions. We hope you can take advantage of our wide range of materials to help you use Canvas to engage your students in learning.